Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to download or install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now, tap on the devices icon to open the devices page. Here, find your HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro on the list of devices and tap on it. Then scroll down through the list and you should see watch faces category or option called My Faces. If you're missing one of these options, or basically both of them, it could be because when you install the application for the first time, you were asked to select a region of operation or service region, and you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. You could also be basically not logged in into a HUAWEI ID account. So hopefully, to fix this, because it's just my assumption, you could try to reinstall the application, select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom, or basically try to log in into a HUAWEI ID in the application. And once you do, hopefully it will solve your problems and you will see the watch faces and My Faces. And once you see one of these options, I recommend to tap on My Faces first. And here we have the list of watch faces installed locally on our watch, and also some categories we can basically browse through and download the watch faces from. So let's say I want other category. I can tap on the arrow to open it, and here's quite few watch faces you can download. These ones are free basically, so you don't need to pay for them. We can tap on it on the watch face we like, tap on install. It's gonna start installing, and once it's done, it's going to be applied on our watch. But if you want to see something else, for example, you're gonna be looking for something more, you can tap on more on online watch faces. It will open the store. And here basically we have even more watch faces you can download, but as you can see, for some of them you need to basically pay for. And once you find some watch face you like, I'm gonna look for the free category. Once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it, tap on install, and it's gonna start downloading and installing. And once it's done, it's gonna be applied on your watch. To see the list of installed watch faces on your watch, you can tap on mine here, and it will be basically the list of watch faces you can browse through, and you can see that we have the watch faces we installed right here. You can also remove them by tapping on one, tapping on bin icon, and tapping on OK, and it will be removed from your watch. Okay. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.